Look at that. Look at that Fairmont. I cannot wait to start working on this guy. Bob, how's it going? Folks, haven't seen you in a while, Bob. So I had a question on solid state relays and fuel pumps and dual fuel pumps and stuff like that. And I have that. So I figured I'd just make a quick video. It's like my third go at it. I don't know, it's like cursed. Maybe I'm not supposed to, but I'm going to try. And I'm just going to show you how I have it set up. So basically on the Phoenix, it's just a stock slumped factory tank because they don't really make a lot of tanks for these guys. And we just have a tool. We have two, I think 360, 380 AEM Summit Boys running this guy. One runs constantly, and then as power comes in, or basically the other one kicks on and runs. So we have 1.8 and 1.6, and we have all the fuel, been up to 20 PSI, no problem with fuel. And this is how we did it. I had it on a relay, and it just kind of came in harsh and real crash. Just boom, we kind of shake everything and make the fuel tuning unstable. So I got this guy, which is just a Dorman. There is the guy right there. And I think people make solid state relays or whatever, so maybe check around. But this is the kit I found, and it works well. It's for, I think, a Jeep fan, and was rated for, I think, 40 or 50 amps. But it just has to run that one fuel pump, which isn't a hard job. And yeah, that's how it's set up. That's how it's wired. I have the one fuel pump coming on the Holley. So as it turns on, which I mean is that green wire. If you look up at the ground relay, there's that green wire that kind of goes down, and you know that just goes to the fuel pump. So you can run that one, and then on my outs. So I go up here to my outputs, and then we go to inputs, outputs. On my J1B11, I made it a second fuel pump out, pulse width modulate, and configured it like so. So there's nothing really going on here other than we have it set up like this in the pulse width modulation thing. And it kind of ramps in pretty quick. Once you set this up, you can kind of goof around with this and make it turn on, and you can tell where the pump's happy and where it's not. I don't think it was very happy under 50%, so that was kind of like my minimum, and it just kind of ramps in real quick. So, and I've been running this for probably a year now, no problems. So that's an option if you're looking for, you know, how to pulse width modulate a second fuel pump. That's how I did it, and probably worked for you guys. Thanks, bye.